Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Welcome back to Sly Fox Laboratories. Well, I've been doing a reaction lately, and I've noticed that my copper tubing has become quite dirty. So I'm just going to show you a quick trick on how to clean it up. All you need is 3 ingredients. Tartaric acid, which can be commonly found in baking places. You'll need roughly 4 grams of it. So, let's add it. 4 grams. Make sure to place your copper in before. And before adding your compounds. Then what you're going to need is just some soap and some water. Oh, and a little bit of patience. So you add your soap. Now you should notice that it should not have anything happening. Terribly sorry for the container being so dirty. Let's add some water. Now after I added the water, just give it a thoroughly good mix and wait just a period of time. 24 hours gives the best results of waiting. However, you can also do other periods like half an hour. Half an hour also works quite well. As you watch it, tartaric acid eats a small amount of the copper, or copper oxidation for me to be correct. Since copper is hard to dissolve, only nitrile groups such as nitric acid can really dissolve it. Copper is mostly chemically inert, however it still does react to some compounds. Where in this scenario what happens is that the tartaric acid breaks down the copper oxide which forms upon it. It gives it a nice colourly look. After doing that, give your copper piece a nice wrench and Bob's your uncle. You'll have a nice piece of clean copper. You can leave it for longer periods, but I just like to leave it generally as the way it is. As you can see, the copper's got a nice shine. So let's leave it in for even longer and see what happens. 3 hours later, as you can see, there's no color. However, your copper comes out looking like that. Let's try and leave for another 4 hours. 4 to 7 hours, and let's see what happens after that. And well, 4 hours later, and as you can see, the copper's got a nice, beautiful shine to it. It's not perfect, but it works for general copper-based jewelries. But what I like to do is I add a little bit of sodium chloride. No clue what happens, but it just seems to get it to that little bit more of a sparkle. That's it. Sly Fox Laboratories out.